So in this session of Creo Parametric, we will see how to create patterns. So we will be creating patterns in Creo Parametrics. Okay, so we will see this one by one. So to create a pattern, there are two options. First one is a pattern, second is the geometry pattern. Okay, we'll see this one by one. So I want to create a pattern of this extrude, which is this. Okay, extrude 2. I want to pattern it along this direction and then this direction. So I'll go to the pattern, select the extrude 2 from the navigation tree, go to the pattern. Okay, so in the pattern this dialog box, I will select here direction. Okay, in the type, pattern type, I will select the direction. So I will select the first direction, which is this. Okay, and then I will select the second direction, so I will select this as a second direction. Now I will add the members, so I will add 10 members in this direction, and then 7 members in this direction. I will change the spacing between the entities, or between the features, 10, or I will increase this to 30. I will reverse the direction from here. I will flip it. Okay, 50, and then I will reverse this direction also. Okay, spacing 30. Okay, 10. So this is how you can pattern a feature. So I will increase the spacing 70. Okay, just click on OK and it will pattern the features. Okay, so this one extrude has been patterned along this direction and then along this direction. Okay, so this is how you can create a linear pattern. So we will now see the circular pattern, okay, or geometry pattern. So to pattern this along this axis, this feature along this axis, I will go to the pattern. First I will select the extrude, go to the pattern, then geometry pattern. Then I will select the type as axis, because I have this axis, so I will select the axis. Then I will press OK. So here in the axis, I will select this axis. Okay, so you can see the pattern has been previewed here. First direction members, I will have first direction member I can change here. Then second direction member I can change. Also I can change the radial distance. Okay, then I can change the angle between the two features. Okay, so I can also give the angular extent. So I will create a pattern along this 360-degree. Okay, we'll add members of 10. Okay, so 10 members I can add. Just click on OK, and this will create a feature. So this is a geometry pattern and this is the linear pattern. Okay, so if you choose as element of another pattern, element will automatically extrude from the new pattern. Okay, so new pattern will not reference the initial source of element. So you cannot select the part that are within active configuration as element through pattern. Okay, so this is how you can pattern a command. So we have pattern the cut. This is the extruded cut. I have pattern it along the geometry pattern, along the circular one. Okay, along the axis. So we will now see the mirroring. We will now mirror the selected features. Okay, so I will mirror this extruded part along this plane. Okay, you can see this. So I will go to the mirror feature. I will select the extrude. So I think I will create a new here. Go to the sketch, create a rectangle. I will create a circle. So now I will extrude this up to 200. Okay, so just click on OK. So I will, what I will do, I will mirror this feature along this plane. Okay, so I will go to the, I will select this from navigation tree, go to the mirror feature, then I will select the mirror plane. In the select one item, I will select the mirror plane, click on OK, and this is how you can mirror a feature. So I have mirrored this feature along this plane. Okay. So we have seen pattern and mirror command. Okay, you can mirror all features and also create mirror parts. Okay, then measuring and inspecting model. The inspection module allows inspection information in the form of measurement plan to be attached to the Creo element direct modeling model. Okay, so this measurement plan can be exported as a comma separated file such as CSV file to allow inspection data to be entered. This CSV file can then re-imported into Creo modeling to perform an evaluation on the design model. Okay, so the measuring and inspecting models. So following topics we are going to discuss. Okay, the first one is a process flow. The process flow, the following shows the general process of the inspection model. Okay, so this is the general process flow of the inspection module. Okay, see this. So this is the process flow. Okay, so this is the exported measurement plan. This is the table. You can create this table and exported this measurement plan. Validating the measurement plan. Once the measurement plan has been prepared, it should be validated before being exported. So validation verifies that the specified measurement plan still makes sense for the current state of the design module. For example, validation checks that measurement points still lie on the specified face and annotations referenced in the plan are still meaningful. Okay. So thank you.